Introducing of private members' bills, Mr. Williams, seconded by Mr. Perkins, moves for leave to introduce a bill entitled An Act Respecting the Implementation of a Consumer-Led Banking System for Canadians. This motion is deemed adopted. The Honourable Member for Bay of Quinte.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And Conservatives want to give Canadians back control of their financial freedom. Right now, Canada's oligopoly of 6 banks controls 93% of Canadians' business, and those banks also have a monopoly on Canadians' financial data. Canadians don't own and control their own financial data, the banks do. Our common sense plan, called consumer-led banking, would force the banks to give consumers back control of their financial data and, on their consent, share that with competitors who would fight for Canadian financial business. This would create competition and drive prices down and bring financial freedom to Canadian families. If we compare Canadians' banks to the UK, Canadians right now have bank fees an average of $14.50 a month or $15 a month. The UK is $0. Canadians have average transactional fees of $1.40. UK is $0. Canadians have average overdraft fees of $25. The UK, it's $0 where they have this legislation. And Madam Speaker, mortgage rates in the UK today are 5.99% average versus Canada, which is 6.99%, 100 basis point difference. The consumer-led banking legislation forces the government to stop dragging their heels and bring forward the second report on open banking that's been sitting on the finance minister's desk since May, and within 6 months to table common sense consumer-led banking legislation promised now for 4 years, so Canadians, not the banks, can control their own financial data and financial future once again. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Mr. Williams.